Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane on Tuesday has said that he was hopeful that the Indian and Chinese militaries will be able to reach an agreement on disengagement and de-escalation of tension in eastern Ladakh. In an address at a seminar, the Army Chief said the senior military commanders of India and China are holding talks to iron out modalities for de-escalation of tension in eastern Ladakh. General Naravane was speaking at a conclave organized by Bharat Shakti, which was a portal on defense and military issues. Referring to Indian troops deployed in the high altitude region, he has said that they are equipped with appropriate clothing and weapons, and he also added that there is no shortage whatsoever. Hello everyone and welcome back to another interesting session of the defense updates provided by SSB Crack Exams. I highly recommend you to download our Android app from Google Play Store if in case you are preparing for the various defense examinations like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army, Indian Air Force, Airman Group X, Group Y and Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandant's examination. You can even follow us on all sort of social media platforms like Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and which will be very helpful for your examination preparation. That will provide various other important Indian and international updates. Beginning with the question of the day that I have asked yesterday on 11th of November 2020, that is yesterday, and the question that I asked was, who was the Prime Minister of our country and when the Rashtriya Rifles was raised? I repeat the question, who was the Prime Minister of our country when the Rashtriya Rifles was raised? He was, as you have mentioned it, he is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Okay, it was during the Vishwanath Pratap Singh's government that the Rashtriya Rifles was raised. Rashtriya Rifles comes under the Ministry of Defense. It is a part of the Indian Army. It is a subsidiary of the Indian Army. It is not a paramilitary force. I repeat, Rashtriya Rifles is not at all a paramilitary force. It does not come under the Home Ministry. It comes under the Defense Ministry and it is a special arm of the Indian Army and it is a branch of Indian Army under the authority of Ministry of Defense. It is a counter-insurgency force made up of soldiers who are deputed from other parts of Indian Army only. This force is currently deployed in the Jammu and Kashmir and they are completely composed of the army personnel who undergo pre-induction training and operate in a grid structure to deal with insurgents at high altitudes. To go ahead with the was actually given by the Vishwanath Pratap Singh government in the year of 1990. Mention in the comment section what is the raising day of the Rashtriya Rifles and why was this particular question very important for our set to ask. Now, beginning with the first and foremost update that we have to understand is regarding General M.M. Naravane saying that both the military commanders of India and China holding talks for disengagement and situation as of now is stable. This is what I was discussing with you in the introduction session. And when did he say this? He was telling this particular one when in the Bharat Shakti conclave, which was a portal on defense and military issues, he also referred that our troops have no shortage of any particular clothing, equipment or any other safety gear and our soldiers are always ready. They are appropriately safe and there is no shortage regarding any particular issue. Going through with the next update is regarding that the Ordnance Factory Board of the Warangal in Maharashtra that has got a very huge order from the United States to supply 5.56 by 45 mm NATO M193 ball bullets from the United States. This is how this particular bullets look and this is a very important one. And this also comes under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Self-Reliant India and Make in India Defense Initiative. This will be manufactured at the Ordnance Factory Warangal in Maharashtra and this will be supplied in the current fiscal year as said by the chief of the Ordnance Factory Board Warangal. Going through with the next important update is regarding that the Western Army Commander has visited the Airawat Division. So this Airawat Division, it is a very important division. It comes under the Western Army Command and he also commended all the ranks and the various officers and the soldiers for their professionalism and he exhorted them to work with the same zeal and enthusiasm. If you go through the detail regarding the Airawat Division, the official name of the Airawat Division is the 1st Armored Division. So it is an Armored Corps Division and it is a part of the number 2 Corps and it is headquartered at Patigala in Punjab. Mention in the comment section what is the special name, the nickname given for the number 2 Corps. The raising day of the Airawat Division is on September of 1st, 1945 and this also played a major role in the Operation Polo in Hyderabad's union into the Indian Union in the year of 1948. This corps also participated in the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. Now that is it regarding the important very short updates. I would like to tell you about the Know Your Army update. This is regarding the Army Institute of Physical Training. AIPT Pune was formed on 1st of July 1946 and this is very strategic update because this was formed 1 year before we got independence and it is responsible for delivering physical and allied sports training courses. What all sports training courses does this particular institute give? So this gives the various courses which include the assistant instructors basic course, swimming and life saving course, boxing instructor course, basketball coaching, volleyball coaching, judo, karate, and also refereeing and judging, officers physical training course which include an 8-week course for physical training officers who are subsequently posted to various regimental centers, and also usually 6 courses will be given per year, but a shortage of officers had cut to 3 per year in 2017. A yoga course has also been started which is an 8-week course delivered 3 times per year as given by the press information in the year of 2015. So this is very, very important. If you also get to understand regarding the complete details of the Army Institute of Physical Training, this school saw a massive expansion of infrastructure and courses over the years. Basketball, volleyball, yoga, karate, swimming, and life saving, refereeing, and judging were added to the curriculum. This was rechristened as Army Institute of Physical Training on 1st of June 2005, and it has produced elite sportsmen including Arjuna and Dronacharya awardees who have done the armed forces and nation proud by winning medals at various international platforms with participation in Olympics also. Now we will have a very quick review by going through some of the most important questions, and the first and foremost question is, which ordnance factory board has got a huge order from the United States to supply ammunition? Is it Ordnance Factory Medak, or Ordnance Factory Warangan, or Ordnance Factory Jabalpur, or Ordnance Factory Awadhi? The correct answer for this one is option B, Ordnance Factory Wargaon. Going through with the next question is, Airawat Division of Indian Army is it an armored unit or infantry unit or ordnance unit or none of the above? The correct answer for this one is armored unit. The official name of the Airawat Division is 1st Armored Unit. Going through with the next important question, and the final question is, Army Institute of Physical Training is located at what place? It is located at option C, Pune. That is it regarding these important questions. Now we will have the question of the day, and the question of the day for today is, what is the motto of R&AW or RAW? Okay, so I repeat, what is the motto of Research and Analysis Wing? The correct answer for this one and the explanation for it I will be giving you in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams. Subscribe to this channel, download our Android app from Google Play Store. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.